Avon calling. Take time out for beauty when Avon comes calling. Use Avon Cosmetics and you'll be enthralling. For a pleasure-filled break in your daily routine, it's time to take time out for beauty. Avon calling.
Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne A. Wells, and thanks for coming back for another video. I have another one of my top 100 items to share with you. And if you're not aware, I am building a playlist with all of these videos together so that it will help you study and learn them. You can just let the playlist go to autoplay and they'll just play one right after the other. So you can learn exact items to look for that are high profit sellers, and I will keep this list updated as time goes by so that you're not getting old information. My vision is 100 items on this list at all times. My original goal was to get it done by the end of 2018, and that is not going to happen, so I will just press on and keep going, adding more items to this list, so eventually we'll get to 100. So the item in this video is the Avon Vintage Hairbrush, and there are actually several different variations of this item, but we are on completed listings here on eBay, and we've got 298 results for the Vintage Avon Hairbrush. Now you might be wondering, why would someone pay over $100 for a vintage hairbrush? And to be honest with you, I have not figured out the why on this yet. I have done all kinds of research trying to figure out what it is about this that makes it so special, but I think it's just because it's collectible. If we go to this first one here, Rare Vintage 1982 Avon Flair Hairbrush, new in box. I actually sold Avon when I was in high school. My mom had an Avon business, and so I tagged along and sold stuff to my friends, and I didn't make money. I just got free products, so that worked for me as, you know, a 13-year-old, but that was one of my first experiences with being an entrepreneur, was selling Avon, and that was just really fun. But I sold this brush, and it was maybe like $10 at the time, if that. So if we look at the description here, it just says Rare True Vintage Avon Flair Natural Performance Hairbrush, new in box, estate sale treasure. And if we look at the information on the box itself in the photo here, it just says natural performance brushes, the look and performance of natural bristles, the easy care and durability of nylon. So it's not made of any kind of special animal hair or a special material. It's made of nylon. Basic grooming brush is appropriate for all lengths and textures, and then it gives the cleaning instructions, and it's got the date of 1982. So based on my research, the value of this item is not in the materials it's made from, it's just that it is vintage Avon. So 1982, it's almost 40 years old at this point, so it is just a collectible. But as far as a visual standpoint, what to look for, it comes in all different colors. There's the brown, there's a gray one with black bristles, there's this pretty pink one that comes in a different type of box with the blue accents on the box there. It says Avon Flair Hairbrush, and people are finding these at estate sales. You may find them at Goodwill. You don't know. You have no idea whose house has been cleaned out by their family or for whatever reason, and their stuff gets dumped off at Goodwill or a thrift store. So these are out there. Obviously, people are selling them. This one went for $84. So there's another brown one. It also comes in white and blue, but the objective here is looking for the vintage Avon 8-inch flare hairbrush. Basically any vintage Avon hairbrushes. Now, we're seeing a lot of new ones here. That's okay if you find a used one. Those sell also. So let me just switch this over to used. You're more likely to find a used one, but even the used ones are going to sell for quite a bit of money. This one sold for $89, and it's just a gray hairbrush with black bristles. This one sold on best offer. Let's see, that one does not have the brush in the picture. That one just came up because I put brush in the title. Here's another one that went for $52. So even if it's used, that's okay. You can clean it. There are all kinds of videos on YouTube about how to clean used hairbrushes. So, you know, if you find one that's got hair and dried up hairspray and all the gunk that gets in your brush, take some time to clean it. And you could have one of these really high dollar items that is high profit. And who would know? Who would guess that a used hairbrush can sell for so much money? That is just what keeps eBay so exciting, is you just learn stuff every day that sells for huge money that you would never know. And people are throwing this stuff out. They're donating it. It's, you know, it's out at their estate sales. So the more you know, the more money you can make. And speaking of the more you know, the more money you can make, I want to invite you to come on over to my premium content library, where I am doing a Christmas giveaway. One lucky winner wins their choice of either an Amazon gift card or PayPal cash. This is a special member appreciation giveaway. The drawing will be on December 24th, Christmas Eve. Just as another fun thing to do in the premium content library. So now you have 100 more reasons to join. Come on over and sign up. There are currently 113 videos and 37 hours of educational material, different than what is posted on YouTube. This is my entire coaching business I am putting online for anybody who wants to access it. You get access to everything in the library, not just what's new that month, and of course, unlimited email support with me anytime you need help. So come on over and join, and you can enter the giveaway and maybe win some extra cash for yourself.